Hey, so I had to bring you by this one, my new listing at 1656 Edmonton Avenue, right here in Sunnyvale. And before I even take you inside, I gotta tell you about the street, because Edmonton Avenue is kind of a big deal. This is an Eichler in Fairorchard, an early Sunnyvale tract from the 1950s with just 54 homes. It's got a very strong sense of community, and it's got that signature mid-century post and beam style. Fun fact that I love, Steve Wozniak actually grew up on an Eichler on this street. He said it was one of his favorite homes he's ever lived in, and he actually met Steve Jobs right around here. Early Apple history, literally on this block. How cool is that? So this house was taken down to the studs and completely redesigned in 2017. Dual pane windows, new sliding glass doors, the whole works. And the second you walk in, you feel it. Open concept, floor to ceiling glass, that indoor-outdoor thing that Eichlers are famous for, but done right. Check out the kitchen, double island, which I love, because you get a prep side and a hangout side. Upscale, modern cabinetry, and the appliances, Gaggenau. If you're not familiar, this is the stuff designers put in multi-million-dollar homes. German engineered, handcrafted, and built to last. It's a serious flex, and it makes the kitchen feel like a proper chef space. And right next to the kitchen, you've got the dining area, perfectly placed, flows straight out to the outdoor dining spaces. So whether it's a Tuesday night dinner or you're hosting a bunch of friends, you've got that seamless inside to outside thing going, which is exactly what you want in a house like this. Let me walk you down to the bedrooms. It's a 4-bedroom floor plan, and it just works. Really smart layout, nice separation, and every room gets that beautiful Eichler natural light pouring in. You got room for the kids, room for guests, room for a proper home office. However your life is set up, this plan flexes to it. And the primary bath, you have to see this. Spacious, gorgeous tile work, and the showstopper, a Japanese soaking tub tucked right inside the shower. Rinse off, sink in, melt. It's a total relaxation station. Right next to the garage, they took this old utility room and converted it into this awesome bonus space. Indoor laundry to my left, plus a little flex zone that could be a home office, a homework nook, a workout corner, whatever your life needs. Super functional, and honestly one of those smart little upgrades that makes day-to-day living so much easier. Behind the scenes, this house has it all. Radiant floor heat throughout, warm floors under your feet on a cool morning. It's a total game changer. Solar panels are on the roof, slashing that energy bill, and in the garage, 2 level 2 EV chargers. It's all the modern stuff that's already dialed in, so you can just focus on enjoying the house. Come out back. We're on a generous 8,000 square foot lot here in the backyard. Mature trees wrapping around the entire perimeter, giving you privacy, simple, clean landscaping, paver stones running down the side yards, and even a little bench seat tucked right under the willow tree. It's the kind of backyard where you actually want to be outside. Morning coffee, evening glass of wine, weekend with friends. This is the space that defines the Eichler indoor-outdoor lifestyle that everybody talks about. And as if that weren't enough, step back inside and you have the atrium. Classic Eichler feature, open to the sky, pouring light right into the middle of the house. It's basically a second outdoor living space tucked right into the heart of the home. So that's 1656 Edmonton. Architecturally important street, real Silicon Valley history, top-tier schools, and a no-expense-spared remodel. Give me a call today, schedule your own private tour. This is one you'll definitely want to see in person.